This is Kempty village and the road which is coming from Missouri and going to Kempty. These are the shops which overlook my place and Kempty Falls. This is the bypass which goes below my property, the origin of that road. This is the local employment as a photographer, restaurants, and this is the view. हाँ जी महाराज, क्या हो रहा है? हमने कहा आपकी फोटो बना दें आज पूरी. This is a close-up view of the Kempty Falls area. This is the property I have. The road above and below. You can see that bypass road going down below. And there is a little lake, a pond, boating pond, some more lakes or ponds. And there is a cable car. You can see it perhaps if you enlarge the view, you can see the cable cars also. And the road above. This is the road from the main road to the house, and here is a irrigation water channel which is dry right now, being cleaned. This is the pathway to, this is the pathway. These are the electric wires that you see on the pole. This is the pole, the electric poles. You can see them, the trees in between, and you can install a transformer of your choice, whatever load you need. Now let's go down the path which needs to be cleaned and is lying unattended on account of the rains and the monsoons. And now this is the roof of the house. हाँ अभी आ रहा हूँ. The mandir is on the right. This is what the hall is all about. These are the Gujar models. You can see them stand. All the photo gallery, the chakki, the photo gallery. You can see it all here. This is what nature park is all about. These are some exhibits of butterflies, some odonata. You can see the landslides, you can see everything, the realities of life. And this is Yashoda. She is the caretaker of the place. Model is here. Now let me take it from a good angle. Here it is. This is how you make the oil. Some more butterflies. Some more butterflies. The village level industry. हो गया तो अच्छा आदमी है तेरे मैं फोन देता हूँ तो कहता खराब है इधर हो जा इसको बंद करा दो कोई डाल देना अंदर तो खुद ही डाल दे दो तीन है वहां पे तो यहाँ आ जाओ ना इधर है This is the corridor that leads to another room which has been used for various purposes, as a dormitory, and there is a storeroom. This is, I'll give you the view.